Certainly. Let's dive deeper into the basics of artificial intelligence, AI. AI encompasses a wide range of techniques and approaches that enable machines to simulate human intelligence. Here are some key concepts and components of AI. 1. Machine learning. ML machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on enabling computers to learn and make predictions or decisions without explicit programming. ML algorithms are trained on large datasets, allowing them to identify patterns and make informed predictions or decisions based on that data. 2. Neural networks. Neural networks are a type of ML algorithm inspired by the structure of the human brain. They consist of interconnected nodes, or neurons, that process and transmit information. Neural networks are particularly effective in tasks such as image and speech recognition. 3. Natural language processing. NLP involves the interaction between computers and human language. It enables machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. NLP is used in applications like chatbots, language translation, and sentiment analysis. 4. Computer vision. Computer vision focuses on enabling machines to understand and interpret visual information from images or videos. It involves techniques such as image recognition, object detection, and facial recognition. 5. Robotics. Robotics combines AI with mechanical engineering to create intelligent machines that can interact with their environment. Robots can perform tasks autonomously or with human guidance. They are used in industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and exploration. 6. Deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of ML that utilizes neural networks with multiple layers to process complex data. It has been instrumental in achieving significant advancements in areas like image and speech recognition. 7. Data and big data. AI heavily relies on data. Large volumes of data, known as big data, are used to train AI models and improve their accuracy. Data quality and accessibility are crucial for successful AI implementation. 8. Ethics and bias. AI raises ethical concerns, including privacy, bias, and accountability. Bias can be present in AI algorithms if the training data is biased, leading to unfair outcomes or discrimination. It is crucial to address these issues to ensure the responsible and ethical use of AI. 9. Applications of AI. AI has numerous applications across industries. It is used in healthcare for diagnosis and treatment recommendations, and finance for fraud detection and risk assessment, and transportation for autonomous vehicles, and customer service for chatbots, and in many other areas. These are just some of the fundamental aspects of AI. The field is constantly evolving, and ongoing research and advancements continue to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve.